Hello, I'm Shivangi Luhumi. I'm a legal intern at Lexis and Company. I'm from Yashwantrao Chavan Law College, Pune, Maharashtra. Today my topic is arbitration. Arbitration, a form of alternative dispute resolution (ADR). It is a way to resolve disputes outside the judiciary courts. The dispute will be decided by one or more persons, which renders the arbitration award. An arbitration decision or award is legally binding on the both sides and enforceable in the courts, unless all parties stipulate that the arbitration process and decision are non-binding. Arbitration is often used for the resolution of commercial disputes, particularly in the context of international commercial transactions. In certain countries such as United States, arbitration is also frequently employed in consumer and employment matters, where arbitration may be mandated by the terms of employment or commercial contracts and may include a waiver of the right to bring a class action claim. Mandatory consumer and employment arbitration should be distinguished from consensual arbitration, particularly commercial arbitration. Advantages of arbitration. First, in contrast to litigation where one cannot choose the judge, arbitration allows the parties to choose their own tribunal. This is especially useful when the subject matter of dispute is highly technical. Arbitrators with an appropriate degree of expertise can be chosen. Arbitration is often faster than litigation in court. Arbitration proceedings and an arbitral award are generally non public and can be made confidential. In arbitral proceedings, the language of arbitration may be chosen, whereas in judicial proceedings, the official language of the country of the competent court will be automatically applied. Now, the disadvantages of arbitration. Arbitration agreements are sometimes contained in ancillary agreements or in small print in other agreements, and consumers and employees often do not know in advance that they have agreed to mandatory binding pre dispute arbitration by purchasing a product or taking a job. If the arbitration is mandatory and binding, the parties waive their rights to access the courts and to have a judge or jury decide this case. There is sometimes a disconnect between the presumption of confidentiality and the realities of disclosure and publicity imposed by the courts, arbitrators, and even the parties themselves. If the arbitrator or the arbitration forum depends on the corporation for repeat business, there may be an inherent incentive to rule against the consumer or employee. There are very limited avenues for appeal, which means that an erroneous decision cannot be easily overturned. This video doesn't solicit any types of promotion or advertisements as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India. And the sole purpose of this video is the educational purpose only. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.